Hi everyone, this is Leo with Rustic Pearl Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how I made this elegant flower arrangement. My inspiration came from those expensive flower arrangements that use real flowers and they're scented like for up to a year or so. So I got inspired by that and I thought, I can make this on a budget. So I'm going to show you how I made it. So the supplies I'm going to use are this gift box, these fake flowers, car fresheners, foam, and these supplies I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use ribbon and some white spray paint. I'm also going to use wire cutters and scissors. Okay, let's get started. So what I did first is I spray painted the gift box and placed the foam inside and tucked away one of the car fresheners inside the box, and then arranged the roses in the foam. And then I finished it off with a cute bow. So there you have it, elegant flower arrangement that did not break the bank. And this will last you longer than a year because the flowers are fake. And if the scent goes away, you can always take out the car freshener and add a new one. And you have it for a very long time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.